Alright, let's break down Chromia, or CHR, in plain English. So what's Chromia? Security of a blockchain power of a full-blown database, that's Chromia. Often called a PostgreSQL blockchain, built using a relational database model most devs already know. But why does that matter? Hard to build on, slow, expensive to use. Ever tried Ethereum when it's busy? Gas fees shoot through the roof. Most blockchains use funky data structures that confuse traditional developers. Chromia flips the script. Lets developers use SQL-like languages. Feels familiar if you've built apps before. Solves scaling by giving each Dapp its own sidechain. One busy app doesn't slow everyone else. Most actions inside Chromia Dapps are feeless for users. No more paying for every tiny click. The CHR token makes it tick. Developers pay node operators in CHR for hosting apps. Users can stake CHR to earn rewards. CHR used for governance. CHR used as in-app currency. Backed by Chromaway, a Swedish company with blockchain roots, government land registries, big-name games like My Neighbor Alice, Mines of Dalarnia, and that's just the start. Competition, Solana, Avalanche, Polygon, Chromia's challenge, get more dApps and users on board. If they pull it off, CHR could be at the heart of a bigger blockchain story. Remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, stay curious, tell me which blockchain project to cover next.